The communication process serves many important functions in the workplace. Without it, organizations could not exist. One of the major functions of communication is to assist in the management of workplace behaviors. Communication, for example, allows managers to establish performance expectations and company policies, which then guide employees' behavior. So when employees follow their job descriptions and comply with these policies, communication is performing a management function. One of the other functions of communication is that it fosters motivation. Communication, the exchange of information, is how we clarify with our followers what they should be doing. It's how we give them feedback about how well they're doing, and it's how we help our followers improve. The third function is to provide opportunities for people to express themselves, to express satisfaction, frustration, and it also serves as an opportunity for people to socialize and fulfill their need for interacting with other people. The final function of communication is information exchange. Communication provides the information we need to identify and evaluate different alternatives, to negotiate a win-win, and to persuade our employees to work, to make changes, to do the things they need to do to succeed. Basically, without communication, much of what we do at work would not be possible.